guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Josh. This is probably one of my first videos I'm going to upload in a series. My channel is going to be probably based around, it is going to be based around cars, on and off-road motorbike, four-wheelers, so ATVs, quad bikes. So I've been doing up salvage cars. It's not my job, but as a hobby for around about 6-7 years now. I started when I was probably on 17, buying salvage cars. Even before I had a license, I was buying salvage cars, fixing them and selling them on. I usually stick to stuff that isn't so kind of like frame damage, and I stay away from that. You know, I don't mind doing a little bit of framework, but nothing too serious where I need a jig or anything. So this video is going to be about the Subaru Impreza I've just bought. I paid £825 for it from Copart. It is a category N salvage vehicle, which is non-structural, and that basically means that it was the insurance company marked it down as a total loss, and it was uneconomical to repair, so they just wrote it off, and it went into the salvage auction which Copart hosted. It's got no real damage. It starts and drives, and it's only really got scuffs and scrapes. It's got no real modifications at all, but I'll show you around the car. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's show you around the car. So this is the car. Like I said, it's a 2001 Bug-Eye. It's not an STI. The previous owner looks to have put a STI from bumper on. I think any of you guys tell me otherwise, please comment and tell me where it comes from. I think it's an STI one. Yeah, so it's pretty clean. It's missing I don't know what this is called. I can't remember what this is called. But basically, it's missing this part, which I need to get so it doesn't damage any of these units, any of the windscreen wiper units. And yeah, I haven't washed any of it yet at all. I literally just got it, and yeah, it's been sitting on my drive for a few days now. The only real rust that's on this car, any real noticeable rust, is this here. It's not too bad. It's not rusted all the way through. It's just a bit surface rust. I'm just gonna sand that off, put a bit of filler. I might just sand it off and prime it, get it sand out and repaint it. It does need new brake discs and pads, and I'm going to do an overhaul on the calipers. So watch out for that video. Yeah, so it's got no real damage other than this little mark here. I think it's got a aftermarket splitter, or it might have come like this stock. I'm not sure. I'm not too up on the Subaru market, or models, or what trim they came in. And I haven't given it a wash at all. This is literally just how it came off the back of the transporter. I've driven it here, which is a little bit away from my house. But yeah, this is the first video, or the first time I'm really driving the car properly. And it drives okay. It sounds okay. It hasn't got any bottom end knocks. I'll do a quick startup for you, and show you what it sounds like. Yeah, so let's give it a start. It is warm because I drove here, so I don't need to let it warm up or anything. I don't know whether this is annoying for you guys, but it has like an immobilizer and a key that can unlock and lock the car, and which is a bit irritating. So yeah, I'll pop the bonnet and let you guys have a look at the engine. Engine bay is a little bit dirty. I mean, it's not too dirty. I am going to do a little bit of detailing in here and give it a clean up. I'm going to upgrade the intercooler, put the one that is in the front, do a little bit of modification, put it in the front. Hopefully I'm going to take off, going to do a catback and change the turbo. I'm going to get rid of this. It has got a K&N aftermarket airbox on, or intake. I think I'm going to get a new intake. I'm going to get a HKS blow-off valve. I'm also going to upgrade that. That's also going to be in a future video. And I'm going to upgrade the exhaust. I'm going to put a new exhaust on the car. Currently it's got I don't know whether this is stock or an upgraded one. I'm not sure. And I don't know whether I'm going to do like a resonator delete and take the resonator out as well. I'm not too sure yet. Most of the damage that it was written off for was right here. I think I'm going to just take this out with a heat gun, sand it down, and fill it up and get it repainted. I don't know whether it needs a new one or not. It depends how I feel. I haven't done any real inspection of underneath there, whether it's bent anything else, you know. So it's got a little bit on the bottom there. Yeah, so yeah, But I'm going to do another video of me breaking it down and just showing you guys what actually is wrong with it. I'd be really interested to know what you guys think it sounds like, if it sounds good, or it doesn't sound too good at all, or it doesn't sound too healthy, or anything you could probably suggest that you might guys look out for. I know a lot about cars, well, I think I do. But yeah, if there's anything particular on this model that you think I should be aware of or should check out, yeah, let me know. I have checked the transmission fluid and the engine oil, that's all good. And I'm going to do a video of me changing the engine oil because I don't know when it's been last changed. So yeah, I'll give you another walk around of the car before I head back. Again, it has got a few little dents on the back there, but it's to be expected from a 2001 Subaru Impreza. I can't imagine it's had an easy life. So that's a wrap for this video. I'm gonna head back and probably start doing the oil change. So give it an oil change, put a new filter on, see what the oil looks like. But yeah, thank you for watching the first video, and yeah, stay tuned because I'm going to be doing some crazy mods to this thing. You might even see me do a full engine rebuild, but probably the first thing I'm going to do is get a bob, a blow-off valve, probably change the intake, the exhaust, and yeah, actually before I'm going to do all that, I'm going to take it, see what it goes, what kind of horsepower it's running right now. Cause yeah, be interesting to see what an 18-year-old car, what kind of horsepower it's running, and how much it's lost. I'm sure it's lost a few ponies over the years. And yeah, see what we can get to. Yeah, peace out. Thanks. I just thought I'd do a little driving video for you guys, see what you think it sounds like. Woo! Wow, man. Yeah, that's quick for an old car.